I hope you still remember this. You know, this song reminded me so much of the pandemic. You know, how we all felt hopeless and we didn't know what was gonna happen, if we're gonna be able to still go outside and mingle. Naalala ko yung kanta na to na parang, teka, meron akong kanta na parang very hopeful. And I think I sang this, saan ko nga kinanta to? Online. The first time we premiered the new arrangement was, it was a show online. And so pag naririnig ko ngayon, parang bumabalik ako dun sa yung we felt really helpless. But we're okay now, we're doing really great now, and it made us really stronger, no? And we were also given time to be with our families, so I appreciate that very much. This song is for all of you. If any one of you is going through some tough times, I just want you to remember that it's temporary, that it will just go away. You'll see. If you're feeling the blues, it's also temporary. Everything is temporary, even us, we are all temporary. So kung ano yung nararamdaman yung kalungkutan, helplessness, depression even, it will pass. Maghihintay lang siguro tayo ng konti. Siguro lalakasan pa natin or dadagdagan pa natin yung mga dasal natin, and you'll see it will pass. And you will just realize that it's just a memory. And you realize na parang, teka lang, parang medyo eng-eng ako dun sa nalulungkot-lungkot ako. Life is so wonderful. We have so many blessings. And each day is a blessing for all of us. So listen to the words, and I hope that you like it. There was a time when I lived my life thinking only of the things that would bring me down. And all the while, what I didn't know is that I never learned to take the time to look around. There's a little good in everyone, and sometimes it takes a little rain to see the sun. If you try, you may find your life is just begun. Don't you run, don't you run. If you're feeling lost, if you wanna be free, if you feel like your world is staring up at the seams, remember there's a light. If you wait till the dawn, you may walk through the clouds, but to carry on, you've got to follow the sun. If you wanna be free, if you feel like you're